Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I will walk you through on how to log into LegalShield. It's a very quick and simple step. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Let's tap into that, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap in LegalShield at work login, and make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. Just tap into that and you'll be greeted with this login page. All you gotta do is tap in your email and your password associated with your email. That's it. If you've forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in that option that says forgot password. That's it, and we've come to a final step, that is tapping in that sign in button. It's this one right here. Let's tap into that and you'll be signed into your LegalShield account. Signing into your LegalShield account is as simple as that, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.